I recently replaced these old bifold doors that are probably 30 or 40 years old. They were covering up our, well, it's not really a laundry room, it's more like a laundry closet. And while they're really not useful as doors anymore, I hate to just throw them away. So I'm gonna see if I can give them a second lease on life. Hey guys, before I get started, I wanted to remind you to download my free guide to setting up a woodworking shop for under $1,000. If you are new to woodworking and you're kind of intimidated in this era of people building massive dream shops, this is a great resource to remind you how you can enjoy this fun and productive hobby without a lot of space or expensive tools. Head over to mytoollist.com to download the guide today. And I also want to thank Casper for sponsoring this video. More on that later. These are constructed kind of like cabinets where they've got the rails and stiles, and it looks like the rails are at least a solid piece of wood that I think I can just cut through it without having to even unhinge these two. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, sure enough, that's actual solid wood. The center panels are made out of MDF, and I'm sure they're just floating in there, so they should come apart pretty easily. And these are just held together with dowel pins. In case you're wondering, this was the hole that had the kitty door on it. Okay, I think I've got a working plan on how to cut these up. I stand corrected. This isn't MDF, it's actual solid wood. Now that I've got these shelves installed, the question I need to answer is, do I really want to include this on the bottom? I'm not really sure. I kind of think it looks better without that. Okay, I just asked for an executive decision, and it sounds like we like it better with the bottom panels on. So that's what we're doing. Okay, that's not bad. Hey, I want to take just a moment to talk about this video sponsor, Casper. You guys know how much I love their mattresses, so it was a no-brainer to get a new one for the Santa Cruz pine bed I built for my upcoming weekend woodworker course, Powered Up. The mattress is delivered right to your front door in this kind of crazy, how in the world did they do that box? Casper mattresses are perfectly designed to soothe and cradle the natural human geometry. And they've got 3 different models to choose from: the Wave, the Essential, and this one, the Classic Casper. It's It's kind of fun watching it expand when you take it out of the package. This is the best part. Its breathable design helps you sleep cool and actually regulates your body temperature throughout the night. And as a longtime sponsor of Woodworking for Mere Mortals, Casper wants my viewers to take $50 off select mattresses by going to casper.com/WWMM and using promo code WWMM at checkout. Don't forget, terms and conditions apply. Well, I hope you enjoyed this project. It was really a fun challenge to not just reuse these doors, but to create sort of the perfect upcycle by not having to use any new materials. I had almost no material left over. Hey, if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to Woodworking for Mere Mortals and click the little notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And don't forget to download my free guide to setting up an affordable shop at mytoollist.com. Thanks for watching, everybody.